What the dog doing?
See, all I want you to do is be my love. So come give away my love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm creating this makeup look right here. This makeup look is inspired from Pinterest baddies. I've always wanted to recreate this makeup look, so let's get started. So starting with skin prep, I'm going to use these two products. I'm first going to use this rose mist from 52 Sundays. It gives a really nice base, so I love using it. Then I'm going in with my sunscreen from WishCare. My makeup sits really well on this sunscreen, so I'm using that, blending it nicely. And then I'm using my fan so everything sets perfectly. For my base, I will be going in with this liquid concealer from Swiss Beauty. I love this concealer. I think this is one of the best concealers in a budget because we're doing a budget friendly makeup look, and this concealer is really cost effective. I love the finish. I love how it looks on my face. I'm in the shade 02. So as you can see, I'm applying the concealer on all of the high points of my face and wherever I feel there is a need to conceal, like any dark spots or anything like that. And because we are not going to use any foundation, make sure you're blending the concealer nicely. Make sure there are no creases. I usually don't like applying foundation, so I only go in with concealers, and this concealer is really beautiful. Just look at the finish of this concealer. You have to give this one a try. Then I'm using this contouring stick from Inside Cosmetics. This is a 2-in-1 stick. You get highlighter on one side and contour stick on the other side. I'm just doing some basic contouring. I'm not a pro at it because I don't contour my face that often. As you can see, I already have a sharp jawline, so I don't feel the need to contour my face. But I think for this look, you need those shadows and everything, so that is why I'm contouring my face. This this product takes a little bit of time to blend, but the finish is really good. Like, I wore this makeup for almost 8-9 hours and it stayed. So yes. Then I'm just applying some concealer for a clean finish. This is totally optional. If you want to do it, you can, but if you don't, this is totally skippable if you don't want to add any more product. Then I'm blending everything nicely because we are going to set the concealer. I'm just making sure that there are no creases and everything is properly covered and concealed, because once you set it, you just cannot go back. To set my makeup, I'm going to go in with this powder from PAC. This is the banana powder. This powder was really cheap. I got the mini version, so it costed me around 200 rupees, which is really cheap for a powder which is this smooth and nice. Once you set your makeup with this powder, your makeup will last all day long. I love this powder. Also, it makes your makeup look really smooth, so that is the best part. After my Nykaa powder, I really love this one. And you can see I'm just going to bake my face. Baking is something that I don't usually prefer, but in summers, if you have oily skin, you can try it out. Then while my powder is sitting there, I'm just going to do my eyebrows using my favorite pencil from Swiss Beauty. This is their micro precision eyebrow pencil. This is one of the best pencils you can get in this price. I love this pencil so much. Just look at how precise and nice it is. Then I'm going to set my eyebrows with this product from Inside Cosmetics. It's really good, but it's very dark, so I have to use it carefully. Then I'm just dusting off the powder and you can see the finish. It looks really good. Then for my blush, I'm going in with this blusher from Faye. This is the Lush blush in the shade Nutty. This is a rosewood pink. I really love this shade. I love that this blush blends quickly and it doesn't even move my makeup or anything like that. I love it. You can see how beautiful it looks. Then I'm blending the blush properly. I'm not going to use any powder blusher. This is the only blush I'm going to use. For my eyeshadow, I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette from ELF. This is in the shade I Love You a Latte. This is a broken palette, but I'm still using it. So I'm just using the two transition shades from the palette and I'm blending it nicely. Then I'm going to use the lightest shade from the palette in the inner corner of my eye, and after that I'm going to go in with the darkest shade from the palette. It's a very basic matte eye makeup look, but it looks really cool. I've seen this eye look on Pinterest so many times and I absolutely love how it looks. This is my go-to matte eye makeup look. For my eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my OG Lakme Insta eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. The tip is very precise. The eyeliner is matte, so I really like it. And I'm making a winged eyeliner because we are going to use some lashes. So that is that. I'm using this mascara from Staze. This is the very first time I'm using this mascara and I quite like it. Then I'm using these lashes from PAC, the top lashes, and after I'm done putting the lashes, I'm using my eyebrow pencil to kind of create a line under my waterline. Yes. Then for my lips, I'm going in with this lip liner from Faye in the shade Hardline because we want those matte lips. And you can see this is such a smooth lip liner. I absolutely love this lip liner. I love how it applies. Beautiful lip liner. Did I say eyeliner? I don't know. Then going in with this liquid lipstick from Staze. This is a matte lipstick. I absolutely love the shade. It sets beautifully. Love it. And you can see the lip combo is looking really good. I mean, I love it. I love that it looks the way I wanted it to. And this is the final makeup look. I think it turned out pretty well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And yes, this is the makeup look. I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Yeah, and all these bitches nervous cause we famous. We everything your baby daddy wanna be. Ain't no other nigga in this bitch as fly as me. If you looking for your bitch, she in the VIP. You know where to find her. And you know we clear this bitch out right after we leave.